E hao te ingo tēnei whakaaturanga.
Ko puhi ariki.
Ko puhi ariki koe. Ko te puhi ariki koe. O tēnei waka. Haere mai. Haere mai. Haere mai. Kia tantono hau.
With people bringing that life and mahana to warm our opening, you need that. Otherwise, it's an inanimate, kind of place. It needs the people to give it life. So I think it's a good beginning, and hopefully, the days to come, and if not the years, it'll be a really good marker. So it needs people to bring life to a gallery. But also, I think it's the date of Hundertwasser's passing. And being able to celebrate that circle of life, if you like, death and life, and for Māori in particular, that's the mate is not the only thing, is also the ora, and this is a new beginning, so it's actually quite a nice circle.
Te whare e tūnei, at long last.
There's immense pride for the Wairau Māori Art Gallery Charitable Trust and myself as the inaugural curator to be able to be at this moment, to finally be at this stage, is really exciting, and is also, is the culmination of many years' work. Some of that work's very invisible for the trust, especially early on, and to be at the stage where we can very much celebrate it and open it up and hand it over to the public is great. This gallery and these exhibitions that take place in this space are going to make a positive contribution to the profile and the development of contemporary Māori art, and that it's a space that people can embrace and feel represented and feel a sense of pride in terms of the exhibition making and the presentation of artist practice that will occur in this space and in this gallery.
It's in many ways long overdue to have a dedicated space to contemporary Māori art. Hopefully it can be a seed for other regions in Aotearoa to set other spaces up like this. I think there's a real thirst for not just Māori, but Pākehā, tauiwi of this country, wanting to see Māori art, toi Māori, different ways that Māori artists express themselves and the ideas that they express. So I think it's really monumental in that regard.